In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a signature in DocuSign. Whether you're tidying up unused signatures or simply need to make some changes, this process is straightforward and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head over to the DocuSign website. Make sure that you're on the official site to ensure your security and privacy. Once the web page loads, you'll find a login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to access your account. It's important to have your login credentials handy here, as you'll need them to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign homepage. This is the central hub of your DocuSign activities. From here, look for your profile options. You can generally find this by clicking on your user icon or name. A drop-down menu will appear presenting several options. What we're interested in is the profile section, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you've accessed your profile settings, you're almost there. Next, look for the Manage Profile option. This will direct you toward the section where all your personalization settings reside, including those related to your signatures. Select Manage Profile to bring up these options. At this stage, you'll notice a Signatures tab. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the electronic signatures you've created or saved in your account. This is where you can edit, add, or, importantly for today, delete signatures. Now, focus on the signature you wish to delete. Look for an Actions button associated with the signature. Clicking on Actions will display a menu with several options, including the Delete function. Finally, select Delete from the menu. Before the signature is removed, a confirmation prompt might appear to ensure that you're sure about this decision. This is a crucial step, as once deleted, the action might be irreversible. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the signature will be successfully deleted from your account. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a signature in DocuSign. Remember, adjusting and managing your profile can keep things organized and efficient. If you have more adjustments in mind, feel free to explore other options within your profile settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Have a great day.